Did you know that India and Pakistan were once a single country? But in 1947, they became two different nations. Why did that happen? What made the country divide? Let's travel back in time and understand this big event in history in a fun and easy way. For nearly 200 years, India was ruled by the British. This time is known as the British Raj. The British controlled everything: laws, money, army, and trade. People in India weren't free to govern themselves. But slowly, Indians began fighting for their freedom. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others led this movement. They used peaceful protests and powerful voices to demand independence. India was home to many religions: Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, and others. But two major communities were Hindus and Muslims. While many leaders wanted one united India, there were also leaders like Muhammad Ali Jinnah of the Muslim League who believed Muslims needed their own separate country to protect their identity and rights. This led to many arguments about how a free India should be formed, together or divided. By 1947, it became clear that peace between the two communities was getting harder. Riots and violence had begun in some areas. So the British decided to leave India, but before doing that, they agreed to divide the country into two nations. India would be for everyone. Pakistan would be mostly for Muslims. Pakistan was split into two parts: West Pakistan, now Pakistan, and East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. On 15th August 1947, India became independent. Pakistan was created just a day before, on 14th August. Millions of people had to move. Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan moved to India, and Muslims in India moved to Pakistan. Sadly, this became one of the biggest human migrations in history. Around 10-15 million people moved, and many lost their lives due to riots and violence. After partition, both countries started building their own governments, schools, armies, and economies. While there has been tension between India and Pakistan over the years, both nations are home to amazing people, beautiful cultures, and deep histories. And today, both countries are trying to grow, improve, and move toward peace. History teaches us important lessons. The partition reminds us how important unity, peace, and understanding are, especially in a country with different religions, cultures, and languages. We should always respect others, solve problems through dialogue, and never allow hatred to divide us. So now you know how India and Pakistan became two countries, a story of freedom, struggle, decisions, and learning from the past. Like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Todd Tales GK, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.